Hello guys, welcome to our new channel. In today's video we are going to discuss a very common issue that users found in Snapchat that is failed to send, tap to try again. So, if you are also struggling with a failed to send on Snapchat problem, then this video is going to be a savior for you. Watch this video and try out the given fixes to resolve it. But before proceeding with this video, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we post a new video. Solution 1. Restart your phone and Snapchat app. The first thing you need to do to resolve this issue is restarting the phone. So, give a fresh start to your phone and see if that can fix the error or not. Besides restarting the phone, you can also relaunch the Snapchat app. This can help in fixing the failed to send, tap to try again on Snapchat. Solution 2. Check your internet connection. Most probably the failed to send, tap to try again error arises due to weak internet connection. So, if you are having any kind of network issues on your device, then fix it by trying some basic tips like turn off and turn on the mobile data. Switch from mobile data to the Wi-Fi connection. Enable and disable the airplane mode. Solution 3. Clear cache and data of Snapchat app. The next solution to fix the Snapchat back screen issue on Android is clearing the cache and data of the app. Open the settings. Tap on the apps. Go to Snapchat. Click on storage. Tap on the clear cache and clear data buttons. Now, restart your phone and check whether the issue gets resolved or not. Solution 4. Update Snapchat app. If you are also running the outdated version of the Snapchat app on your phone, it could be a reason why you are getting the failed to send message Snapchat. So, update this app to fix the problem. First, open Google Play Store. Search for the Snapchat app and open it. If there is a new update available for this app, you will see the update button. Tap on the update button. Relaunch the app and check if the camera started working or not. Solution 5. Re-log in to your Snapchat app. First, open the Snapchat app on your phone. After that, make a tap on the user icon which is at the top left corner of the screen. Then click on the gear icon to bring the settings screen. Now, scroll down to the bottom and tap on the logout option. As the dialog box will appear on the screen, tap No in order to save your login info. Then hit OK to confirm the logout in action. After that, restart your device and open your Snapchat app to re-log in it by using your login details. If the Snapchat is still showing failed to send on your Android phone, then you can check out our blog for more solutions. The link of the article is given in the description box below. Lastly, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If so, then do share it with other users having the same issue. Give this video a like and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.